we're about to go to the zoo, so I think that would be a perfect time to test the recording capabilities. And look, you can see I'm pulling it open. Never been opened. And I can listen, call, and live stream. Oh, these are so cool looking. It comes with a nice case, and obviously it's got its charger there. And listen, call, live stream. So I'm excited. And look, now we have Raybans. I think I have to set up the Bluetooth on this, so I'll be back later and I'll let you know how I feel. But you know what, maybe I should try them on. Hold on. I feel like a smart person. Hello. E equals mc squared. That is Einstein's theory. No, formula. And the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And this way you could find the long form of the triangle. And if you need to figure it out the other way, you could do that too. Algebra! Woo! So this is what they look like with the clear, I guess yellow tint glasses. So yeah, so far I think they look really nice. I guess I'm recording now. I don't know if I am. I hope I am. Mario, are we recording? You're messing things up. Thank you. I totally want you to mess things up. Absolutely not. Dishonor.